Well, what I found most informative is about the gap and the need, and how achievable it is. And I was particularly inspired by the Blackshire children, and it really touched my heart and made me want to do more. So I'm glad I showed up, and I think I've got work to do now in terms of helping C-STEM achieve its goals.
So my experience was honestly very fun. It was challenging, but it was very worth it in the end.
Working together as a team. That was, I think, the most impactful part because everyone is different and everyone applies themselves and what they're good at into one goal. That's how where you really get results.